At Caliber, our purpose is restoring the rhythm of your life. Our purpose is not just why we are in the business, but it also helps define who we are. Because our purpose is driven by our people. Our teammates are more than just part of the team, they are part of the Caliber family. That's why we are committed to providing a safe, inclusive work environment and state-of-the-art equipment. As a matter of fact, Caliber was honored in 2022 by 3M for our enduring commitment to technician safety and environmental responsibility with the installation of Festool dust extraction systems at every Caliber collision location. We take care of our family so they can go home and take care of theirs. But restoring the rhythm of our teammates' lives goes far beyond safety. At Caliber, we work hard to inspire every teammate to reach their full potential through personal and professional development. We spend more than $26 million each year by providing training such as ICAR certifications, ASE certifications, leadership training, and other on-the-job trainings. Our teammates have regular check-ins with their leader and have the opportunity to share their voice on what they and their team may need to be successful. That is why team engagement is so important in driving our teammates and Caliber's success. And Caliber's purpose is our commitment to restoring a customer's life, from routine maintenance to a traumatic experience. It means that each teammate is managing the repair as if they were putting their own family member back on the road, completely safe and satisfied. By treating our customers like family, we create an experience that guarantees customer satisfaction, creates lifetime promoters, and enables us to fulfill our mission to be the most trusted automotive service provider in every community we serve. Delivering on our purpose is also how we restore the lives of people in every community we serve through our various giving and community partnerships. Our teammates donate their time and expertise by repairing and gifting vehicles to military and first responder families in need of reliable transportation. We have restored the lives of over 500 families by gifting vehicles in partnership with the NABC Recycled Rides program. Every summer, we provide meals to kids and families in our communities through our annual food drive. To date, we have provided more than 26 million meals in the communities we serve. Caliber has also been awarded gold status in the Workplace Health Achievement Index by the American Heart Association because of our commitment to promoting heart health and ensuring every teammate is CPR trained. For more than 25 years, Caliber has worked hard to lead the automotive services industry and to earn a place in the lives of our teammates, customers, and communities. That's why it's not just our teammates that say wonderful things about Caliber's unique culture. We have been recognized by Forbes as one of America's best large employers and earned the gold medal in extra large company category by Incorporated magazine. The road ahead is wide open and our future has never been brighter. We are glad you are interested in being part of the Caliber team and what comes next on our amazing journey. We are Caliber.